Roughly a year ago, I became homeless. I was working previously to that for a company called Admiral, sells car insurance. Obviously losing that job contributed to the fact that I lost my tenancy, became homeless, and I came to the YMCA for some support and ultimately somewhere to stay. It affected me in all sorts of different ways. It's not just the fact that you haven't got anywhere to stay, it just knocks every facet of your personality, really.
Design for Life is a project that we have next door to the hostel. We provide activities there for residents, and those activities are used as a hook for young people to come in and have a look what's on offer. Design for Life, through the Engagement Gateway project, are now able to provide CV writing, interviewing skills, and are introducing people to training, volunteering, which then lead to employment opportunities that they would never have had previously.
I was contacted by my support worker, and he mentioned the IOM scheme with a company called Kilk, which provides a 3-month placement, which is also paid. So obviously being in the hostel and homeless and jobless is a massive incentive for a start. I went to that, ended up at the prefab project. This location is all around Cardiff. People can either come into the store and donate clothing, or they can do it to our clothing banks. Everything gets sent initially to our recycling centre. Then the best stock and the best items are sent along to our charity store, which is in Albany Road, and that's the point of sale. It helped provide funding for the YMCA, so obviously they can continue doing the work that they need to do.
European funding has enabled us to engage with the Engagement Gateway project. It's complementing other projects that we have in the hostel, such as our work incentive scheme, prefab, and our recycling centre. And what this funding has meant is that young people coming in who are further from the labour market than the residents accessing our other projects, it means that those people we've been able to engage with who wouldn't normally take part in anything. European funding has enabled us to run these projects, and it really has made a huge difference to people's lives.
I feel more like me now, the person I remember, before all of this happened, because obviously before all this happened, I'm quite an outgoing, confident person, and obviously for that to be just completely taken away from me, it was really quite difficult. But as I said, in just 1 year, I feel like me again now, and can't really put a price on that, can you?